Today I decided to do a quick tutorial for you, mostly because I got ready for the day, and that doesn't happen very often. So I'm going to do this tutorial from the floor of my kitchen that's mostly clean. This tutorial is for super simple, cheap capes for kids' birthday parties. I'm not sure this will actually go around my head. Oh, it did. See? Ta-da! I am having a superhero birthday party for my 5-year-old in 3 weeks, and I'm inviting 25 children. I'm crazy. I'm a crazy person. I love birthday parties, obviously, more than anything. So I wanted to get all the kids capes, but they were super expensive on Amazon, and I just wasn't willing to pay that. So I stumbled upon a tutorial that taught how to make 8 capes out of one $1 plastic tablecloth. These will not last very long, but they'll only last the duration of the birthday party, and that's fine. They'll love it. So first thing you do is open up your tablecloth, and you want to unfold, depending on how it's wrapped up. These ones are from Walmart, I think. They might be from the Dollar Tree. I can't remember. But you unfold it all the way out lengthwise, and then I'm gonna unfold it one time widthwise, so it's just folded in half once lengthwise. And then you fold it back in half, hamburger style. So it's one big long hot dog. I'm gonna fold it hamburger style in half. This is probably the hardest part, is getting the folding down. But you fold it once hamburger style, ooh, and then twice hamburger style, and you are left with one square-ish shape. So I'm gonna scoot back. I hope that the camera can see this. So you lay this out on the floor, and you kind of want to get it flat as you can, so that when you cut, it will be straight cuts and not jagged. Okay, that's pretty good. But then you actually want to fold it one more time. As I'm looking at it, I'm realizing, I think you want to fold it one more time. So you have that square, and then you fold it one more time, and you cut. You don't want to cut along where the fold is. You want to start and, let me get my scissors. Okay. You cut down about 5 inches from where the fold is. You cut down in a straight line that is about 1 scissor cut. So just like this. And then you just start cutting to the corner. You can cut straight diagonal, or you can kind of make it like a hill. So I'm going to do a little bit of a hill. So then you're left with this. And when you unfold it, you'll see that you do have to cut. It's stuck together a few places. So the top is folded over, you have to cut there, and you have to cut the bottom. So you just cut the top, and then cut where that bottom fold is. And there you have the shape for the cape. And next I'll show you how to add the elastic. Okay, so now you are ready to add the elastic for your cape. So I am going to take 1 layer of our 8, and see, this is still stuck together. So that's easy. I just have to snip, snip. These are not meant to be perfect. They are meant to be worn by children for an hour and then disposed of. So the snips don't have to be perfect. Okay, so I will take 1 layer, and I'm going to put it on the floor, and I forgot my elastic over here. Okay. Now I have my elastic. I have cut a piece of elastic between 14 and 16 inches. It just has to be long enough to fit over the child's head. And you can use any width of elastic. I happen to have a bunch of 1/4 elastic around. It's super cheap. You can get a 3-yard package, I believe, for about $1 at Joann's. So you lay your cape down flat. You lay the elastic on that top notch part. I hope you can see this. And then you fold over the top. And you leave it just like that. And then you will need clear packaging tape. And you just need a piece the size of the length of this notch, and you tape it down. You then will need to attach the ends of your elastic. I love to sew, and so I am actually gonna sew my ends. However, if you are not a sewer, you can put the ends together, stretch them, and you can make a knot. And that is just as easy. In fact, that was so easy, I might do that. So, see, you make a little knot, and then your cape is complete.